What up? If you're wondering why am I holding a celery, we're feeding them. We're feeding some cows. If you're wondering where this is, we're in Melbourne. Feeding we're in uniform, as you can tell. That's why.
I mean, they will.
This is the food for the cows, and that's the bully. Always bites.
Our kangaroo will eat dog food.
See?
But,
Greedy.
you know, in nature it is not dog food. Yeah, so generally they won't eat.
We're gonna see you later, about a few minutes later or something, and
You have to know how to cook it.
See ya.
These should be very rare.
Bye. Bye.